Pay attention, the nuances which we'll say after, all based in real events. My name is Hussein. Today I will explain to you how you can protect yourself from scammers when you are buying furniture. So be ready, we are starting. So you buy furniture with hopes, but seller not good guy. From what you need pay attention and be careful. First is the material and products. You see a furniture, but after seller sending to you a worse quality furniture. The reason is in manufacturing they using bad quality material and products. The second is delay. Company promise your furniture will be finished after 10 days, but in fact they are finishing after 2 months, or it can be more late if company have debt or another problems. The third is reseller or agent which will run away with your money. He can show to you his friend or someone else factory, but in fact he is an agent which will scam you. He is a just scammer. Fourth is company showing to you furniture at showroom, and after they sending this furniture to you. This is an old furniture which stay in showroom 1 year or 2 years after they sending shipping this to you. Also when you say something this is not new, they're saying this is damage which happened in transportation, but in fact this is not furniture. This is an old furniture which stayed in showroom. Guys, all these nuances is based on real events. There are no matter is factory or reseller, it can be scammer. So which solution that I have? You need work with trusted companies, and for this you need contact with us. We can give to you a list, a base of trusted good companies and factories, or we can take your interior designing and your furnishing. Also I want to remind we are doing a manufacturing of customized furniture and the shipping to your address. For detail you can contact with us. We will do a consultation and we will explain the details. Also you can subscribe to our Instagram page. There I will sharing every day new furniture models and our works. Guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, put the likes and comments. See you.